Hi there, my name is Steve and this is Chase Flores.
Hello.
With O'Hagan Electric and helpful tips and information. Today I'm going to be showing you off one of the panels we just installed for Chase at his house. This is a Square D Homeline Edition on the bigger side of a 200 amp, which is a 3042. It's a beautiful panel, it's solar ready like I just said, and it definitely provides him with a lot more space within. And nowadays, all the homes have to have a surge protector in it, which helps from inside and outside surges. And all these breakers are brand new, and it definitely offers, of course, as you can see, lots and lots of room for him to do what he wants to do.
It's always a bonus.
And this is Chase Flores. He's one of our star realtors in South Orange County, Mission Viejo. What do you have to say about this panel, Chase?
This panel is awesome. It's way bigger than what we had before. The reason we're having it installed by O'Hagan Electric is because we're doing a solar upgrade on our house. A lot of people doing it now. There was a deadline of, I think it was April 15th or 13th of 2023 that you can get net metering 2.0, and then it goes to 3.0. And so had to get this done. Did a great job, excellent work, always on time, here when he says he's going to be here. They're very precise with their demolition, if you will, the cutting out the stucco, and pretty excited. If you guys have any questions about electrical work, give Steve from O'Hagan Electric a call. If you have any questions about real estate, feel free to call me. My name's Chase Flores. I work with Century 21 Award out in RSM. My number's 949-338-5691. Have a good day.
Thank you. Awesome. Again, feel free to give us a call, 949-877-4945, O'Hagan Electric, and we'll see you next time.